YouTube. Today I got this 2012 Chevy Tahoe with a code po496. It VAP system purge flow during non-purge. It's a pretty common problem on a lot of your GM products that use this style of solenoid. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to replace it today. It's pretty easy. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is pull this little cover up and back. Get out of our way. And it sits right behind the alternator right here. I apologize about all the noise. It is a tire shop. And I'm going to grab this little stool right here. Climb up, get up in here. First thing we're going to do is unplug it. Push down that little tab and pull back. Clips onto this bracket right here. Let me get a little flathead screwdriver action going here. I'll be able to see what I'm doing. Push back on that metal tab. Just pull up on it. Not too hard because you don't want to break the hose that I haven't took off yet. I'm going to take it off the intake side. I don't want to break that. And the way you take these off is you just swing, pull back on that clip and swing it. It locks in a little groove right there. You just push to the left and pull back. Alright, now this little metal tab right here, because I bent it back, so it'll click on whenever you stay in place. Push that back forward. Just bend it back a little bit forward. Just push it down on that bracket. Click your hose on. Just like that. Put the cover back on. Restate the check engine light. Let me fish this old part out. Take it for a drive. Make sure all your monitors pass. It's that simple, y'all. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like, please subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out, you.